Hi! In front of me is Vivo V23 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down over here and choose privacy. Then click on permission manager, pick one of your device's features like location and select an app, like calendar. Then select one of those options, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so when I go back, as you can see, calendar no longer has access to this device location. But you can always tap on one of your apps, but this time select see all calendar's permissions over here. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!